Hello guys, welcome to OctaCoder. Today we are taking the first step into the fascinating world of React.js. If you are new to web development or just getting started with React, you are in the right place. React is a powerful JavaScript library that allows you to build dynamic, user-friendly web applications. In this video, we will walk you through the essential of setting up your first React application. So let's not waste any time and embark on this exciting journey of learning React.js from scratch. So what is React? So according to the official React documentation, React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. So that's something, but it isn't that really helpful to understand, right? So let's extend this definition by a bit so that it becomes more helpful. So slightly modified the definition, React is an extremely popular, declarative, component-based, state-driven JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it is created by Facebook. Now it's Meta. React is extremely popular because many large companies have adopted React, like PayPal, Netflix, Airbnb, IMDb, and many more. It has a huge job market with high demand for React developers, and these are not just any job, they are well-paying jobs. React was created in 2011 by Jordan Walk, who was an engineer working at Facebook, or now it's Meta. So their React was first used on the newsfeed and also the chat app, and from there it spread out to the entire Facebook and also the Instagram application. Then in 2013, React was open source for everyone to use it, and the rest is history, because React has truly and completely transformed front-end development, not only by developers that are using React itself, but because many other modern frameworks were created as a response, which really changed the industry forever. So let's just take a quick look at React official documentation. So the official React documentation is at react.dev, and so if you want, you can check out here their landing page and basically get a nice introduction to React. But what we are mostly interested in is here, this learn part and reference part. So here in learn, you have basically some stuff like quick start, and here you can check installation process, but you will not really need this for now because we will learn about how to set up a React project from the scratch, okay? And then down here you have this section about learning React. So here they basically teach you the very fundamentals of React. Now since you are watching a React course, that's not gonna be super helpful for you. So we are more interested in here in this reference section. And so here basically they explain you every single method or every single function that exists inside React. And here we will learn first hook, that is useState hook, that we will be learning soon. So you can explore this React documentation if you want. Alright, and now let's move on to actual learning about how to set up a real world React project. So let's open Visual Studio Code. You can create a folder in your drive and open it in VS Code, okay? So I have already created a folder in my drive, okay? And so let's create our first React application. So let's open terminal and here type command npx create -react -app OctaCoder app. OctaCoder app is a project name. You can give any name, whatever you want, okay? So let's hit the enter. And it will take some time to install thousands of packages, which will take a lot of time, but you see here it already created the folder with the name of OctaCoder app that we specified here, OctaCoder app, okay? Okay, so it's done installing packages. And how to open this project? Now here they have suggested that you begin by typing cd means current directory, OctaCoder app, and then npm start. This is where most of students do mistakes. They directly start here npm start and they get these errors. So first do cd octacoder app. When you inside the octacoder app, then give npm start command, or just open this folder in VS Code like this. Okay, and here we have lot of files like node modules, public, source folders. But anyways, let's now check out these other folders that have been created for us. Now most of our development work, or basically all development, will happen here inside the source folder. So here we have a bunch of files where most of them we actually don't need, and so we will get rid of them soon. But for now, let's just leave everything here as it is and checking out other folder, which is public folder. And this is where basically all the assets that will end up in the final application go. So all the images like the favicon and also the index.html file, and if we open that up and we have a code written here, well, all of these comments here which you can read if you want, but I just wanted to draw attention to this div with the ID of root. This is all your final output gets, okay? And when OctaCoder app created this index.html file already for us, and then if we open index.js, you see that here it also selected that root element. So the element with the ID of root, and then it created the root using React DOM.createRoot and then renders the app into it. Okay, so this part here is actual React, and it's this part which takes care of rendering this app component into the DOM. So this app component is here inside this app file, but we will open up all these files and clean them up. So to start a create React app, we can use this npm script right here. So this npm start. So let's open up the terminal again. Now to start the project, all we need to do is to run npm start and hit enter, and that will then start up our application and even open up a new browser tab. And there it is, create React app created a web server for us and made our application running on localhost port 3000. Okay, so this is the first look of React app, and this logo and this text and learn React where is written that all we'll see now. So let's go back to our VS Code again and open this app.js file, and here if you see these codes written here, that's what we see on the page. This paragraph and this anchor tag learn React, this is the code here is written. So let's just get rid of this all code and let's just write heading in h1 tag. Welcome to OctaCoder, and save this file. And here it shows warning, just ignore this. It coming because of logo. It's defined but we didn't use. So ignore this and open browser, and it automatically have updated, and indeed it did. So we get output welcome to OctaCoder. Great. So congratulations. You just created your very first create React app application. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe OctaCoder YouTube channel for more coding tutorial. Happy coding!